I want to share with you 3 ways that you can drastically increase the amount of customers you are about to get on your website. Hey, how are you guys? It is Harrison Barron, the Millennial Entrepreneur from harrisonbarron.com. And like I said, we are going to be going over 3 of the easiest and proven ways that you can absolutely get more customers on your website. So we're not even going to waste any time here. And the first one is simply going to be you need more eye-catchy calls to action. Now you might be thinking, Harrison, why on earth would you even recommend a catchy call to action? Well, let's look at some of the big names. And I took out some of the big names because, quite honestly, they have the $1 million budgets to spend on testing and modifying and adjusting to see what yields the best results. And as you guys have been, if you're a subscriber on this channel, you've probably seen me go through GoPro's website. I honestly do love GoPro's website. And right off the bat, look at what you see. You see this very punchy Shop Now button. If you scroll down, you're going to see there are calls to action everywhere. There is Shop Now buttons there, and they pop out. There's no hiding it. They don't make any of their buttons blend in, right? This is something that I talk about all the time. It is so critically important. And if you just saw what just popped up, that's going to lead us into number 2, but I still want to go through. There are so many options in here. DoorDash is another great example, right? It's an immediate call to action. You have to put in your address if you sign up, right? And we'll just do my hometown here, Huntersville, North Carolina. You can go through and there are hundreds of call to actions all over this page. I mean, the whole thing is sensory overload at this point. You can go through, you will see all of the great pictures. You're going to see, the little DoorDash logo. I mean, it kind of goes on, and every single one of these is obviously clickable. It might not say buy now or get delivery, but you have your little filters up here, and you can just click on any of these, right? If you want Bob Evans, this is a restaurant around the corner from me, you could see, hey, this is something I want. It's going to give you all the options. They don't specifically say shop now, but the inherent shop now function is there, right? Their eye-catchiness is actually the food pics, which is pretty clever and pretty catchy. Same thing with GoPro. I mean, there is shop now, but not every single one of them actually says shop now or learn more. You have this giant image of a GoPro Max. You have the Hero 8. You have the Hero 9. Rumor has it the Hero 10 is on its way out shortly. I mean, it's pretty cool. Now, number 2, without waiting, you already kind of saw it, but the opt-in for a discount. Now, I pulled up here a company called TacPak, and I just like a lot of what they had because it actually has the first 2 ways to start getting more customers. And it's simple, right? You are going to sign up now for their monthly giveaway. You put in your email address, and you will receive a gun upper. Now, whether or not you agree with guns, that's totally fine, but it is so punchy. And they take that call to action to heart. If you look here, you can see buy TacPak, and it's this bright popping yellow on this black background. There are a variety of different buttons, right? Buy TacPak. It is a black and yellow button on top of a white background. Once again, super, super eye-catchy. The more you scroll down the website, here it is, right? Join the TacPak newsletter for your chance to win a monthly AR-15 giveaway. There is a massive button for sign up to win, right? These are things that are absolutely driving more customers. And once you get that customer email address, that's when you can start emailing these people, and then you can start building that database. Emails equal more sales. Now, the third one that most people never think about, you actually didn't see on either one of these, but it's a very unique thing. And most companies, in my opinion, don't do it right. And this is where it gets a little crazy. Now, I brought up 2 different companies, a company called Phrase.io. If you've been a subscriber to this channel, you know that I love Phrase. But on here, they have the best, in my opinion, AI-powered chatbot. Now, their chatbot will actually look through your entire website. It will answer questions. So if I will show you, hey there, how can I help you? How does chatbot work? Let's just see. How does chatbot work? And it is going to say, it's going to give you some options of some pre-filled out questions. They've already gotten a sample size of data, and it is constantly learning. So why your website needs an AI question answer chatbot, right? There it is. And it's going to go through, it's going to filter through that entire website, and it's going to pull up relevant information. Now, you've probably seen some websites that already have a chatbot on there, But a good chatbot is worth its weight in gold. And it's actually currently going through here. At Phrase, we believe in AI-driven question answering is an essential technology capability. I mean, how good of an answer was that? And by you putting in input, it's going to take that input and say yes or no. Now, there's a very famous other chatbot platform, which is called Drift. If you've never seen it before, I can almost guarantee it. You've probably seen it on somebody's website. It just didn't have their logo on it. But Drift is a phenomenal chatbot for a variety of different websites. Being able to communicate with that person on your website at that time when they have a question is undoubtedly going to help drive more sales. That's it. I mean, those are the three. You need more eye-catching calls to action. You need an opt-in. They are worth their weight in gold. For a 10% or 15 or maybe even a 20% discount in exchange for that email address where you can email them for the next X amount of years to come is an absolute no-brainer. And capturing that person's attention with a chatbot that actually works, that doesn't require somebody to be on the other end of this little device to answer those questions when that person has them. Great example, my buddy was just on Verizon. He was looking at a hotspot. Same problem. He was kind of unsure about it. Little chatbot popped up. Do you have any questions, comments, or concerns about our product? Of course, he had a bunch of questions. And that bot was able to answer his questions, ultimately resulting in a sale. And this is exactly how it works. This is why these companies that spend millions of dollars on marketing are making more money, because they've invested in learning what colors work the best, learning the best calls to action, offering a opt-in discount. This is the thing that helps drive massive revenue when it comes to your website. So I hope you guys found value in this video. Bit of a shorter one. Love you guys. That's it. Hit that like button. Maybe consider hitting that subscribe button. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.